Hey guys, how's it going? In order to make money, you need only three things. Potion for people's pain. Potion is the magical solution to the pain of the people. So this potion is the product. People are traffic, and pain is the understanding, the realization, the knowledge. So let's go and check an example. Every day, as an affiliate marketer, the only thing I do is the second thing. I get people by addressing their pain. But I do not want to worry about the potion because the potion is not my part as an affiliate. As an affiliate, my part are these two: understanding, addressing, and find people by addressing this. Potion, the product part, is done by the product creator. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. Now, what are we looking at? Every morning, I come to my desk, I look for what's happening on YouTube and other social media, and I pick one video that will do the three things for me. So let's say this video. This video got a lot of views in a very short time, 64,000 views in 2 days. I think it's good. So I wanted to read the title. It says, "Forget Photoshop and Canva, this AI thumbnail maker does it all." So why am I looking at this? Because Photoshop and Canva is very, very well known. It is well known to the people, to my people. And also when it comes to Photoshop, Canva, and thumbnail, it is specifically for the people who are involved in YouTube. So if I can attract these people through my video, then I will attract serious people who are already involved in YouTube or who are planning to involve in YouTube, or at least they're curious and they know that they have to work. All right, guys, awesome. Now, what am I gonna do here is create a button therefore story. So what is a button therefore story? I'll give you an example. We watch movies, there is always a button therefore, okay? Let me tell you a story live. I woke up in the morning, I came to make a coffee, and I switched on my coffee machine, but there was no coffee bean. So I just told you a context, then I told you, but there is a problem. Therefore, I looked at my shelf, my kitchen, and I found ground coffee. So I took out another hand coffee machine, so weird type of hand coffee machine that you put beans and water and then you press, coffee comes out. I made that coffee. Now, context, but, and therefore one story is solved. But there was another problem. Now the coffee is finished, I have to make it again. So what am I gonna do? So there is but. Therefore, I thought I need to order coffee now. So I went to Amazon and I ordered coffee. I can finish it here. If I want to continue, I would say, but there was another problem. The coffee will not be delivered today. So what am I gonna do? Therefore, I will do something. So when we tell a story and keep people engaged, listen to our story, we will say but and therefore. We say a context, which is a hook of the story. Then we say, but there is a problem. And then we say, therefore, I do this, solved. But instead of finishing it, we continue another but, another therefore, la 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 la. Now, what am I gonna do in this video? First of all, when I select a video, I start and I enjoy the video. So it's 15 minutes, I enjoy 15 minutes. That's one thing. Second thing, I copy the URL, I paste the URL in my AI agent to analyze the video. The AI agent asks me for the video transcript. I copy the video transcript from here, completely free. You do not need to use any kind of website or any software. And I just paste it, and the AI agent does the rest completely. So it analyzes the video for me. It tells me what's inside the video. Let me show you quickly. Let me go. Okay, wait. So this is the step-by-step summary of the video, like a tutorial with the important timestamps. So I can go and find out where in the video this section is. Also, this tells me the whole video summary in 20 words, so I can decide whether it's a good fit for me and my audience or not. Then I get an SOP, which is standard operating procedure. If I want to do the same business, then what standard operating procedure I need to follow. And it also tells me an interesting acronym. Acronym is called like thumbnail. THUMBNIL, thumbnail. Every letter has a meaning. So T stands for think of a concept. H stands for hunt for inspiration. U stands for use the prompt feature. Then modify the redo the edits. Bold text hooks. Navigate proven formats. Okay, you understand the problem. Now, because I already watched the video, I know what's inside, I liked it, and I see the analysis, I know how to make the video now. So here's what I am going to do when I make the video. You will see when I finish the video. You can see it on YouTube when I finish and publish the video. I'm going to show a few seconds of this video. And then I will say, this video basically shows a software. It's called Pixels. This is the Pixel software. This is the software, and it is not free. There is a free trial for 5. You can make 5 YouTube thumbnails, but rest is not free. So I know my but. My but is here that, hey, this is great and you can do it, but there is a problem. This software is not free. So I created a but. It's a problem. I will say therefore. Therefore, you can use AI, free AI from Meta. Let me show you first. In this software, you can put a prompt and you can create a thumbnail like this. I created a similar thumbnail here with just a prompt, completely free. It's Meta, Facebook's AI. But it does not look like this. So I changed the prompt a little bit. I got this one, not bad at all. Now, later, he got to edit the video a little bit, edit the thumbnail a little bit, and he showed that you can just change the prompt and change the look. So I also changed the prompt and changed the look. Okay, this context going on. Then he did another thing. Okay, he changed the prompt a tiny little bit. He said, hey, just make the man scared. I think looks scared. Yes, looking scared into the camera while the big shark and behind me is the same. Keep everything same. Make him scared. So that happened. Then he changed again. Then make him happy while keeping the background same. So now this software is giving you some advantage. Okay, I tried it. I made it happy, but the problem is the image completely changed. So now I have another but that, hey, this is a free AI, but there is a problem. You cannot just replicate the same image. You cannot make tiny changes. Whenever you try to make a tiny change, the image completely changes. So now I wanted the shark and the man both happy. Look at this. Woo! Both happy. Is it really possible? Like a pet shark? It's not possible. But it created some image. Like I'll say, hey, there is a problem. So in case you really want, you can go pay. But why would you do that? You should not pay money for thumbnail creator right now. What you should do is focus on the problem. The problem is you want to make money, and in order to make money, you need to go and make your video thumbnails as fast as possible. So go and use Facebook's free image creator, create your thumbnails fast. Why would you do that? Because look at this guy. What is he doing? He is making a video review of a software. He's using it, showing you how to use it, and here is the big fat but. He's not doing it completely free. He is doing it to get traffic, and he generated lots of traffic from his video. What is the use of this traffic? He put his affiliate link in the description. That is a 30 days for $1. Somehow he got a deal with these guys, or maybe they already have this kind of deal for affiliates that they can offer a $1 price for 30 days. So if you want to make money, you want to follow this guy. You want to make videos as fast as possible, make your thumbnail as fast as possible, get traffic to your affiliate link, and make money as fast as possible. But there is a problem. The problem is making this kind of long videos is not easy. So what would you do? I recommend make short videos. I put your videos on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and YouTube, and get traffic to your affiliate link as fast as possible. Make money fast. Now you don't know how to do it? Don't worry. There is a link in the description that will take you to a free training where you can learn how we are doing it and our students are doing it. But there is another problem. I will keep adding but, and I will keep adding therefore. I will say, hey, there is a deal going on right now for the new year. If you want to get that deal, you need to make it fast. So watch the free training where you can learn everything. There is no problem learning it. But if you are serious about making a difference, get real results like your students, then you need to act fast. So watch the video as fast as possible, but you might have questions. And therefore, you can find me on Instagram, DM me there. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So this way, I will create context, I'll create a problem, I'll create a solution. I will take a very tiny part of this video. I will not even use most of the part of this video. And I'll end up making longer video than this one, just by creating but and therefore, but and therefore, but and therefore. I hope this made sense. You can use this in your short videos as well. However, I do not recommend you to become creative. I want you to model. Model, model, model. I was here to inspire you with what I am doing, how I can create, how you can create. Keep in mind, you should be using but and therefore to create engagement, but you should not take all this hassle, and therefore you should model what's working right now and get result as fast as possible. And I want to see you make a lot of money. If you are not yet in my program, if you're still thinking, this video was for my student, I would be putting this video for free in my students community. You should look at the training, learn how we do it, how we help our students, and join our community as fast as possible if you really want fast results. So yeah, go ahead, check the training if you're not there yet. But if you're already my student in the program, awesome, use it, do it, and make money. We'll see you in another video.